Hi there. To understand how the background feature, how the background behaves, you first need to understand aspect ratio. So let's check what is the aspect ratio of this section. So let's inspect in the browser. So this section is 1563 in width and has a 250 height. So if we add a full HD background here, it will scale to the point that it will cover this size. So let's check. Let's assign a background, a full HD background. So here is a full HD background image, and full HD is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Insert to post. So as you can see, it is scaled down to the width is scaled down to 1563 instead of 1920. So that is what I mean by scaled. So it covers the width. As you can see, it covers this width, but because of aspect ratio mismatch, the upper and bottom parts of the image are cropped. So according to this article in Firefox, Mozilla.org, cover means background image should be sized so that it is as small as possible. So this phrase right here, sized so that it is as small as possible, means it is scaling down to ensure that both dimensions are greater than or equal to the corresponding size of the container. So this simply means it should cover the container. So, and to demonstrate this further, I'll modify this the aspect ratio of this section to 16 by 9 ratio. So to do that, and this is for demonstration purposes only. 1366 and height to 768 pixels. So this one is an HD laptop size. So as you can see, the background image is full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels, but it perfectly fits this 1366 by 768 section size. So as you can see, it's 1366 in the browser, and I think this element. So 768, 678. I think this has a padding. Let's check this. Remove the padding for a moment. So there, 768 without the padding. By the way, padding affects also the height of the section, so you need to take that into account. So as you can see, full HD background image is scaled down to this a lower resolution, but the same aspect ratio section. Though they are different in resolution, they are the same in aspect ratio with regards to aspect ratio. So this fits perfectly. The 1920 1080p full HD image fits perfectly as a background to the 720p area size, or this section size. So if you change this to contain, so nothing will happen, so because this perfectly fits already. So let's try an old standard screen size, so 1024 pix. So as you can see, because it's contained, you'll see a white band on top and in the bottom, or if you're using a portrait background, you'll see and borders in the sides, on the sides. So let's see if I have a portrait image in here. I don't, looks like I don't have a portrait image, so let's just choose this one. And by the way, this is a almost a square image, and 390 by 390 in pixels. So let's insert this one. So as you can see, this one is blurry because it's scaled up. So that's what I mean by scaled up. If this one is if you use a big image, this will be scaled down. So this image is scaled down, and according to this article, these are special values. Contain and cover are special values. So, and they don't relate to resolution. They are mostly relate to the aspect ratio. That's the most important part. So that's it.